Well, folks, we've been here for so long that usually when you hear something that that not only doesn't make any sense at all, but it's total horse crap. When actually what I'm going to share with you, this footage from a journalist that we're all familiar with, talking about how we're going to all fold as AMC dips below $10, as if it hasn't done that yet so far. All right. But when you actually listen and pay a little bit of attention to what he's saying, I mean, it's either two things. But let me first, let you listen on your own, and then we're going to talk about it later on, because it's just, man, it's at this point it's aggravating and even infuriating, so let me share, let me share, and then you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, because yeah, I can't take this anymore. So here we go.
Long ago. But, they're holding on to GameStop. Look at that, green. They're holding on to AMC. I think those are good bellwethers. When you start seeing every single day and AMC falls, significantly below 10, then retail has capitulated, and it hasn't yet. Now, again, history says it will. Mm-hmm. It's just a matter of time. And then that's going to make this downdraft, what we have now, much, much worse.
All right, folks. If you don't know who this is, all right, if you don't know who this is, it's Charles Gasparino, and we all know. You can even listen. This is his name on this FinVid YouTube video title. So I don't know how to put this first. I don't know how to put it, folks. Complete BS. Complete BS. Why? Because not only AMC already went down below $10 a share. It was a couple of weeks ago. How do I know that? Well, by just looking at the share price. Let me share the chart here, and we will see exactly. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm, just dreaming. But if you go back to this last month, or not even know. Look, the year range, on the right-hand side, year range, you can see. What does I see? $970. $970. $970 is the lowest AMC touched this year. And it was literally months ago. It was, weeks ago, maybe around, the 12th of May. So I don't know exactly what this man is talking about when he's acting like when AMC falls below $10, we're just suddenly gonna boom. Because let me point out to a few things that actually this is total BS. Because first off, more than 60 to 80% of people holding AMC right now, if they didn't sell at 70, if they didn't sell at 50, if they didn't sell at 40, not only they didn't sell, but as a matter of fact, they did buy at those price levels, even though the first buy was maybe in the tens. All right. So the average price is way above 10, 15, or even $20 a share. So what's the point of me selling when the stock is already in the trash right now, without any news specifically tying or explaining or rationalizing the fact that the stock is dropping like a hot potato, if it's not the market downturn? All right. So that's number one. Number two, we all know that the institutions that are also holding and are still buying, especially like somebody like Ray Dalio with Bridgewater Associates, world's largest hedge fund in the world. Why in the heck will such a company, all right, put and hold 27,000 shares of AMC and GameStop, I think around 4,000 shares of GameStop, if I'm not mistaken, lately in the first quarter? So the first quarter, AMC was way below $20 a share. So why in the heck would such a company, which is supposed to be the smart money, will buy? Why in the heck is he not talking about that? And as a matter of fact, he's so much negative on the stock. Maybe there is a play here. Maybe there's an agenda. Maybe the agenda here is to, I don't know, because it's mainstream media, because he's on TV, actually to, paint a picture. But the reality is, why are all of these funds, the Credit Suisse of, Swiss Credit Bank, Swiss National Bank, the biggest pension fund in America, the largest hedge fund in the world, all of these, why are they not selling and instead loading up Renaissance Technology? And I can go on and on and on. So, I mean, it's aggravating to me because people who might be listening to him for whatever reason and giving him credit for this one, I'm sorry, but he's not right. He's not, because retail is not selling. I mean, literally jump on the buy to sell ratio orders on any brokerage, Fidelity, Schwab, TD Ameritrade, whatever, and you will still see that AMC has much more buy orders than sell orders. So I don't know for you guys, but these are the kind of things, the more I see those, I really believe the closer we are to this thing squeezing so hard.